Is there a keyboard shortcut to enter reader view in Firefox? Is there a keyboard shortcut to entering reader view in Firefox? I visited Firefox support page at this URL, but it doesn't mention one.
Is there a keyboard shortcut to entering reader view in Firefox? Short answer: no. Long answer: there is an open, unassigned, bug report requesting that one be added. Source bug 11444749, create reader mode keyboard shortcut.
You can use Alt+V, then A to open the reader view quickly through the menu bar. These shortcuts may be different in non-English versions of Firefox. Just figure out what the equivalent shortcuts are for, in the main menu, if you enter reader view. As a Firefox 50, you can also use Ctrl plus Alt plus R, or CMD plus Alt plus R on a Mac.
Yes, there is, as of Firefox 50.0, November 15, 2016. This shortcut was just added with the release of Firefox 50. Ctrl plus Alt plus R, commande plus Alt plus R on Mac. Source, 50.0 release notes.
Now, you can press F9 to toggle reader view.
Bild wird schon ein bisschen einstellen.